Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and this is my 11th week pregnancy update.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
Okay guys, baby is the size of a lime. I remember with James when I was pregnant with him, when I got to the size of a lime, I was like, I've made it. Like, a lime is substantial. I'm so excited. Can't wait for lemon. Yay. Okay, and I almost don't want to say this because I know people won't believe me, but I feel like I know my body really well, and I feel like I've felt some flutters this week. And I know it's early. I read second time moms sometimes can at 13 weeks, so I'm 2 weeks ahead of that, but it just feels like flutters. It happens at night when I am laying down and really still, and I don't know. If it is, that's really cool. If it's not, it's getting me really excited to feel them for real. Ugh, best feeling ever. I can't wait. So last week, week 10, if you watched that, was pretty miserable. And I am happy to say that I feel like, knock on wood, I feel like I'm turning a corner in week 11. The first day of week 11, I did not throw up at all. And then the second morning, I woke up and I said to Phil, I said, oh, I feel so good, I'm back. Like, I just felt energized. I got up, you know, more than 5 minutes before I had to. I was just like, I feel like myself. And then 5 minutes later, I was puking in the bathroom and he said, oh, I'm so sorry, you spoke too soon. And I said, no, I don't care about that. Like, I can puke now and then. Like, I still feel better. And that's kind of been the theme of this whole week. A lot of days I didn't throw up at all. And if I did, it was only once and only right away in the morning. But that put aside, like, I just feel better and I'm not nauseous constantly, and I definitely have more energy, and I'm hoping this sticks. I'm hoping this sticks. I think that's kind of everything. I don't want just to chat and chat to make these longer than they need to be. Okay, it's week 11. The first day of week 13, I go to my doctor, and if we hear the heartbeat on the Doppler, I'm gonna make it official on social media and to work, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you my bump. I'm so excited because it's hard to hide. So this is my bump, and I'm really excited to see if the reaction to when I tell work, if they're like shocked or if they're like, yeah, we know. It's so hard to hide. I have about 3 outfits that semi-hide it, and I'm just excited to wear whatever I want and have my bump out and proud, and I'm just really hoping everything goes okay at that appointment. And I'm so excited to tell everyone. So that is everything for week 11, the week of the lime. Love it. Let me know if you can relate to like getting to certain fruit weeks. I feel like a lime is a big week. Let me know if you agree below. Let me know if you are around 11 weeks and how you've been feeling. I'd love to connect. If you want to stay updated, be sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit that bell to turn on the notifications. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and whatever your plans are, I hope you get them done. Bye guys.
Ooh.